Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to Sewing is Fun. So today I'm going to show you how to make placket in a very easiest way. So let's get started. First, we need to prepare two strips. So whatever the length of your placket you want, just take around 2 to 3 inches more the strip's length, and its breadth is 2.5 inches for one strip and another is for 1.5 inches. So that is for the button part. Now first you need to cut the interfacing of 1 inch wider, and the length of this interfacing should be the length of your placket. Now first we need to stick it in this strip, as you can see in front of your screen. Just leave around half inch and stick the interfacing strip, and now fold it one more time and then press it again. So here you can see around 0.25 inches fabric is left. Now this is the wrong side of my kurti. This placket you need to put it in this way in your left side, and now you need to give a stitch here, and another strip you need to put it here, and here also you need to give one more stitch. So let's do this first to attach our strips onto our kurti. So till here you need to give your stitch around 0.25 inches extra from your cut, and this strip also start sewing leaving around 0.25 inches in a straight way. So here you can see I had increased my stitches till 0.25 inches. Now give a small slit here, and this is the right side of my fabric. Now pull out the button strip towards the right side of your fabric and fold it 2 times like this and give one more top stitch. Till here, just 0.25 inches extra from your cut. See, like this. Now give one more top stitch here to give it a finishing look. Alright, now let's pull out the another strip in your front side. If you want, you can press it also. Now fold your strip 2 times in this way, and now you need to give one more stitch to attach it to your main fabric. So before attaching, just cut this much part around 0.75 inches wider. I am cutting here one strip so that you can easily fold and stitch this strip. Now start giving top stitch from this side. Sew it till 0.25 inches extra from your main cut of the placket. See, and now cut this extra button strip and decide the length of your placket and cut the extra fabric too, and now put your fabric in a straight way. Now here you can give the desired shape for your placket, whatever you want. If you want a square one, just fold it 1 time. If you want like this triangular pattern, then you need to fold your strip 2 times, half, so that it will form a triangle. Now just give a stitch in a triangular way, and now here also give one more top stitch to give it a finishing look. Now cut the extra strips from the top part, and our placket is ready now. In the left side you can put the buttons, and in the right side you can put the buttonholes here. See the neat and clean look of the placket from the front, and also from the back you can see no seam allowances you can capture. And from the front side you can put these decorative wooden buttons to decorate your placket. I hope you like this video. If you still have any doubt, you can comment down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.